Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making a simple holiday punch with vodka. This easy holiday cocktail can also be made into a mocktail, and it is so delicious no matter which way you decide to enjoy it. This festive and cozy drink is perfect for Thanksgiving or Christmas when you can get sparkling apple cider. Let me show you guys how to make it. So we only need a few simple ingredients to make this holiday punch with vodka. I'm using Square One organic vodka, and we're using their bergamot flavor. This is going to give like a little note of tangerine and orange that's going to pair so well with the sparkling apple cider, cranberries, and cinnamon sticks. Next, you're going to need a little bit of pear juice, and this is just going to balance out the flavor as well as not make this drink too bubbly. Next, we're going to need some sparkling apple cider. I'm using my favorite Martinelli's organic sparkling apple cider. I buy this in the fall and all the way up until they don't have it on shelves anymore. I'm obsessed. It's so good. And then for a garnish, we're just going to use some fresh cranberries and some cinnamon sticks. And now because we have pear juice and sparkling apple cider, cranberries, cinnamon sticks, this is a delicious mocktail as well. So it's perfect for kids or even people that don't drink. So you guys can make this into one single glass, or if you're hosting a party, you can even do this in a punch bowl. If you're going to do this in a punch bowl, I recommend adding in all the ingredients except for the cinnamon stick. And then as people serve themselves, they can add a cinnamon stick into their own glass. So you can put that right on the side of the punch bowl. Adding in all the cinnamon sticks at once is going to make this a little bit too spicy. So I wouldn't recommend doing that. But I'm just going to make a single glass today. So first we're going to start off by adding some ice into our glass. Next, we're going to add our vodka. Next, we're going to add our pear juice. Now it's time for the sparkling apple cider. Oh no. Next, we're going to add our sparkling apple cider. Then we're just going to add in a few cranberries for garnish. Then we're going to stir it up with a cinnamon stick. I love sparkling apple cider. It is so delicious. And now we have a delicious and beautiful holiday punch with vodka. And now this drink is so easy to make as a mocktail. I'm going to show you how to do it. So same thing, we're going to add some ice. Then you're just going to skip the vodka, and we're going to add in some pear juice. And then of course our sparkling apple cider. Top it with some cranberries. And then stir it up with a cinnamon stick. Now we have a delicious mocktail and even kid-friendly holiday drink. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more holiday recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.